Hey guys, this is Ryan at Kaizink, and today I'm showing you how to do a left chest placement in DTF. So we've already pre-pressed our garment, so all we're going to do is just grab our garment off the press and move it over to the cart and lay it down nice and flat. And what we're going to do is line up the bottom of the shirt to the bottom of the cart, that way it's nice and straight. And next we're going to grab this alignment jig here, and we are going to place it around the collar of the shirt and just make sure that it looks like it's centered. Sometimes the collars are off-centered, so this looks pretty good. And how we do a left chest placement is it's going to be 8 inches down from the shoulder seam to the center of the graphic. And now it's also going to be centered where the collar meets the shoulder. And so you can see that you only get 7 inches on this jig here itself, so we added 1 inch down, so now we essentially have our 8-inch drop. And so what we need to do is we're going to find the center point of our graphic, and we're going to do graphic in, so this would be the cured bottom, so we're going to make sure that's out, and we're just going to go ahead and fold it and make a pinch at the top to find our center point. So you can see there we've got our center line, and then we're going to do the same thing horizontally, and that's just lining up, might be kind of hard to see, the bottom of the logo to the top of the logo and just making a pinch. That way we've got our horizontal center lines. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take the horizontal center parts and line it up to the bottom of this jig here, and then we're going to take our vertical horizontal mark and we're going to line it up to that black line. So once you have it in place, we're just going to take 2 pieces of tape and put them on each side. So now we can remove the jig. And what we're going to do before we press is just hold the shirt up and just make sure it looks like it's on there straight to the bottom of the shirt, which it does. And so at this point, we can start pressing. Move it over to the press. And you're good to go. And that's how you do a left chest placement. Thanks for watching.